Hello students, today we are going to start our next exercise 7.2 of chapter 7 of coordinate geometry. In this exercise, we will discuss how to find out position of a point which cut a line segment in any ratio. Suppose if you are given a line and suppose we cut this line in many equal parts, and if you have to find out position of this point, then you require a ratio, and ratio is totally depend on sub parts of this line. Here we divide a line in 5 equal parts, and for this point ratio will be 1 ratio. Count the parts. In the right hand side we have 1 2 3 4 parts. That means ratio will be 1 ratio 4, because in right hand side, in left hand side we have just 1 part, and in right hand side we have 4 parts. So ratio will be 1 ratio 4. And for this purpose, if you have to find out the position of this point, for this purpose a definite formula is given, that is called section formula. Section formula. How can we describe this formula? Suppose ratio is m1 ratio m2 and points are x1 y1, second point x2 y2. Then if we will find the first part, then multiply first ratio with second point, second ratio with first point. Then formula will be m1 multiply x2 plus m2 multiply x1 and divide by sum of the ratio. Ratios are m1 plus m2. Similarly, second point will be m1 multiply by y2 plus m2 multiply by y1 divide by m1 plus m2. This is section formula. In this complete exercise, we will use this formula. So let's start our exercise. In first question, you are given 2 points and a ratio. Points are 4 minus 7, minus 4 and 7. Second point is 4 minus 3. A line segment is formed by joining these points, and a point is divide this line segment in ratio 2 ratio 3. You have to find out position of this point. So first of all, let us suppose position of this point is x and y. Now we will find out position of this point by using section formula. So multiply first ratio with second point and second ratio with first point. How can we write this? Value of x by using section formula: 2 multiply by 4 plus 3 multiply by minus 4 and divide by sum of the ratio, that is 2 plus 3. After this our solution will be 2 multiply by 4, that is 8. 4 multiply by 3, that is 12, but negative form, so here it will be minus 12 divided by 5. minus 4 by 5. This is the value of x. Similarly, we can find value of y when we multiply 2 by the second coordinate. Then it will be equal to 2 multiplied by minus 3 plus 3 multiplied by 7 and divide by 2 plus 3. That is sum of the ratio. So solution is minus 6 plus 27 divided by 5, that is 15 by 5, which is equal to 3. So position vector of this point, if we consider this point as A, B and C, then we can say position vector, position of this C, coordinate of C will be minus 4 by 5 and 3. This is our first question. Now we will start question number second. In second question, ratio is not given, but you are given a word that is trisection. Trisection means 3 parts. First of all, 2 points are given, that is 4 and minus 1, and another point is minus 2 minus 3. And we have to find out position coordinate of a point which divide joining of this line segment, complete this line segment in 3 parts. You are given a word trisection. Trisection means 3 parts. That means if we divide this line segment in 3 parts, then you have to find out coordinate of this point, or you can say कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो कौन सा पॉइंट है जो इसको 3 पार्ट्स में कट कर रहा है. ये भी हो सकता है क्योंकि इस पॉइंट को अगर कंसीडर करें तो इसने भी इस लाइन के 3 पार्ट्स किए हैं. सिमिलरली फॉर दिस पॉइंट. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ बोथ ऑफ द पॉइंट्स. इफ फर्स्ट वी कंसीडर दिस पॉइंट, then ratio will be 1:2, because if we count the sub part, in left hand side we have just one part and in right hand side we have 2 parts. So regarding this point, there we have ratio will be 1:2. If we consider points A, B, C and D, then we will write here coordinate of C by using section formula. Here we can write coordinate of this point x and y, or here we can say m and n. Just change the names, m and n. Coordinate of C will be here multiply first ratio with second point and second ratio with first point. So solution will be multiply 1 by minus 2 plus multiply 2 by 4 divide by 1 plus 2. So solution will be minus 2, 8 divided by 3, 6 by 3, it will be equal to 2. Second part, y. For y, again multiply 1 by the y कोऑर्डिनेट. अगर x का कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करना है तो x वाले कोऑर्डिनेट से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, अगर y का फाइंड आउट करना है तो y वाले से करेंगे. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस 3 प्लस 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 डिवाइड बाय सम ऑफ द रेशियो 1 plus 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus 4 to 8 and divide by 3, 5 by 3. So coordinate of C will be 2 and 5 by 3. Similarly, we can find coordinate of D. For regarding D point, here ratio will be 2:1, because for D in left hand side there is two parts, and in right hand side we have just one part. So if we have to find out coordinate of D, here ratio will be 2:1. Then we will follow the same section formula. Next we will do next question. In next question we have to find out a ratio. We are given 3 points. 2 points are given for the line segment, and third point is given which divide a line segment in a ratio, but ratio is not given. If any question ratio is not given, then we consider the ratio, let the ratio, and ratio we let here ratio k:1. If any question ratio is not given, then we will consider ratio as k:1. Points are, first point is -3 and 10. Second point is 6 and -8. थर्ड पॉइंट जो इस लाइन सेगमेंट को डिवाइड करता है, दैट इज -1 and 6. In this question we will consider the ratio, that is k:1, but we will follow the same section formula, that is divide first point with first ratio and second ratio with first point by using same section formula. In last question we consider these points as x and y, but here value of x and y is given, that is -1 and 6. So we can say if we find out the value of first point, that will be equal to 6 multiply k. Second will be equal to 1 multiply -3 divide by sum of the ratio, that is equal to k plus 1. But this is equal to first coordinate, and that is given -1. So we can write this point is equal to -1. After solving this equation, we will find out the value of k. So let's start. Here we will do cross multiply. Multiply k plus 1 by -1 minus k -1. In right hand side we have 6k minus 3. Then -6. ट्रांसपोज द लाइक टर्म्स, कांस्टेंट टर्म्स एक साइड पर और वेरिएबल वाली टर्म्स एक साइड पर. -7k and -2. Cut the negative sign. Then value of k is 2:7. That means our required ratio is 2:7. Here we will find हमने यहाँ पर सिर्फ x की ही वैल्यू फाइंड आउट की है, y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट नहीं की है. If we will check the value of k, is this correct or not? For this purpose we can find value of y also. If we find here by using section formula value of y, then after following the same process, value of k again here come 2:7. That means our answer is correct. Okay.